English silver-related collection. A silver bullet, a silver-haired fox, silver service, the silver screen, speech is silver, silence is golden. A silver bullet. This idiom refers to a simple and effective solution to a difficult problem or situation. It suggests that there is a magical or miraculous cure that can quickly and easily solve a complex issue. We need to find a silver bullet to solve the company's financial problems. A silver-haired fox. This idiom is used to describe an attractive older man with grey or white hair. The term silver-haired fox is often used in a complimentary way to describe a man who has aged gracefully and is still considered attractive. My neighbour, Mr. Johnson, is a silver-haired fox who always has a twinkle in his eye. Silver service. This idiom refers to a formal and elegant style of serving food at a table, where the food is presented on silver platters or dishes. Silver service is often associated with fine dining and upscale restaurants, where the presentation of the food is just as important as its taste. The restaurant offered silver service for their Valentine's Day dinner. The silver screen. The term silver screen comes from the use of silver-coated screens in early cinemas to reflect the projected image. It can also refer to the experience of watching films on a large screen as opposed to on a small screen like a television. I prefer watching classic movies on the silver screen rather than on TV or streaming. Speech is silver, silence is golden. This idiom suggests that it's sometimes better to remain silent than to speak, especially when you're unsure or do not have something useful to contribute. The advice, speech is silver, silence is golden, is particularly applicable in situations where you don't have all the facts or information.